Welcome back to HighLevel Techie. Today we are going to see how you can create a form with custom layout however you want. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you go into your sites and then click on forms to access the form section. Now here click on add form. You can either start from scratch or you can choose from a template, but we are going to start from scratch. So now you can see there is a form which is a standard form, which is a one column form. And when you click here on these options, you now have access to different layouts. Single column is the default layout, which you can see on the screen. And you have 2 column rows, and when you click on 2 column rows, it becomes 2 columns. Pretty straightforward. And when you click on single line, it becomes a single line. This is suitable for email subscriptions, sign up page, and all that. So these are the 3 layouts that are available to you out of the box. Now what we can do is select 2 column row, and now we can customize this look into however you want. For example, if you want first name to take up the whole space and in one line, and email and phone number as 50-50, this is how you do it. You click on the field that you want to make in one line, and then you go here and look for the field width. Here it's 50%, we change that to 100%. Now first name is in full line and last name and email is in 50-50. So now we can change last name to, we go here and change last name to 100%. Now first name and last name is 100% and email and phone is 50-50. Now we can change this to, if you select email, if you want email to have more width, you can go here and change that to 70. So now since phone number is 50% and doesn't have enough width, it went to the next line. But if we change this to 30%, will go back and sit in the same line. So like this, you can add more fields in the same line if you want. So if we go and add another field, for example, date of birth. So if you're going to add date of birth, and let's make it shorter. Email, we are going to make it into 30. Phone number is already 30, and we are going to make date of birth as well into 30. So now you have 3 fields in the same line. So here you can see, even though GoHighLevel is giving you a 2 column row, you have already made it into 3 column row. So this is how you can design a form layout however you want using the field width. I hope you design amazing looking form layouts using this trick. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you in the next one.